If you're looking top 5 best makeup brushes, this video is for you. New and popular 2018 top 5 best makeup brushes. Now go to see. Number 1 most popular Vedio brushes for makeup eyebrow. Watch this video and choose your favorite. Number 2 another great product by Lensnder. Makeup brushes set foundation toothbrush highlighter brush kit eyeshadow. Number 3 by LKE. 50 PCS eyelash brushes makeup brushes. Get your favorite makeup brushes right now. Number 4 by Vedio. Newest silicone brush cleaner cosmetic makeup washing brush. Number 5 by O.2.0 makeup brushes set 7 PCS/lot soft synthetic hair blush eyeshadow lips makeup brush. Now you can choose your favorite makeup brushes and buy. Link available here in description. Thanks for watching this collection and don't miss to subscribe our channel.